In this video, I'll show you how to record on Canva. You can use Canva as a screen recording or recording software. You can make talking head video, screen share video, or only any types of video with voiceover. So let's see how we can use Canva as a screen recording software. First, create a canvas. Let's say I want to create a video canvas. You can make a custom canvas, let's say 1920 by 1080, and create new design. So basically this is my canvas. So if you want to use Canva as a recording software, you need to go to the upload section. In here, just click the upload section, and here is two options. One is upload files, another is record yourself. Click record yourself button, and here three options available. The first option is to make talking head video, or if you want to create a video with camera face, then you can use this option. Otherwise, if you want to create a video with voiceover not showing your camera, then you can choose this option. So first we can click this button, and here it will pop up to you a Canva studio. So this is the Canva studio, and now you can set up your camera from here and your microphone from here. So once clicking here, you will see all of your connected available camera here, and all of your available connected microphone also here. So you need to choose your exact microphone and the camera from here if you want to get high quality video, or if you want to record high quality video. There are three options available here. First one is camera. If you want to record only camera video, camera face, then you can click here. If you want to share your computer screen with camera like this type of bubble type camera shape, then you can click here. Or if you only want to share your screen with voiceover, then you can click here. So first click here, and once everything is done, just click here and record your script or record your video as a talking head video. Let's see how it works. So I am taking this is as my camera, and let's say now click the once everything is done, just click the record button and record your video. Hi there, this is me, Saifullah Saif. I'm from DG Whisper. I'm showing you how to record on Canva. You can use Canva as a screen recording software for you. So once everything is done, you can just click here, click the done button, and click the save and exit button. This is the video you recorded. This is the whole video. You can see it here. You can also make some adjustment of your video. Let's say click here and click the video detach. Either you can, if you want to get your full screen video, not like this circle shape video, then you can get your full screen video two ways. The first one is just delete it, delete everything, and click here. You will get your full recorded video here. Just click here. Hi there, it will pop up here. Saifullah Saif. So this is your video. This is your full video here. Once everything is done, everything is perfect, click the done button. Hi there, this is your video. Once everything is good, then you can click here and click download button and select MP4 and just click the download button to get your video. So my camera is off in this video while I was recording. That is why you see nothing in the camera, just only a black screen. But you can see my voice and everything has been recorded. And click the download button, click the open. Hi there, and this is me video, Saifullah Saif. I am from DG Whisper. I'm showing. So let's see how we can record camera with screen. It is very simple. So let's see. I will present this presentation with my camera. So again, first click your canvas. It should be 1920 by 1080. So this is the perfect canvas for me. And again, come to the upload section, and here just click record yourself button and click record a talking head video, and it will bring you to the studio, Canva studio. So now this time click here and select your camera and select your microphone. After everything done, click here to share your screen. So let's see, I will talk about this presentation, or you can either share your whole window. Window means this time I'm presenting it using Google Chrome, or it could be Microsoft Edge, it could be Firefox, or you can share your entire screen. So let's see, I want to share my entire screen. Click here and click share. So it has been shared. Now click record and go to the presentation what you want to show in your video. So let's see, I want to talk about on-page SEO foundation. So in this section we'll talk about a few things like what is on-site SEO, title tag optimization, meta tag optimization, URL permalinks or slug, heading tag optimization, image optimization, linking, content optimization, keywords. So once everything is done, everything is recorded, then just click the done button to complete your video, and now save and go to the second slide. This is your video, the presentation. Here you will see want to show in your video. Here you will see go to the two things. The first is slide. This one is your screen record presentation, and this one is your camera. Just bring the camera in your video forward. So let's see. I want to talk about your camera and SEO foundation. So in this section, we'll talk about a few things like what is on-site SEO. This is actually your camera. You can move your camera to anywhere you want. First, adjust your screen. So this is my whole screen, and you can move the camera anywhere you want. Let's say I want to keep the camera here. You can resize it. Let's see, this is perfect for me. And now this is your overall screen, and this is the camera. So once everything is done, you can either take another shot or create another page and record something else again, or you can now finish the video. Just click here and now click download button and select mp4, and now click the download button and just wait to process your video. So just click start download, and your video has been downloaded. Just open it and go to the second, and this is your video or the presentation. This is your camera, what you want to show in your video. So let's see, I want to talk about on-page SEO foundation. So in this section we'll talk about a few things like what is on-site SEO, title tag optimization, meta tag optimization, URL permalinks or slug, heading tag optimization, image optimization, linking, content optimization, keywords. So once everything is done, everything is recorded, then just click the done button and go to the second slide. Or so perfect. So video has been recorded, and now let's try the last option. Again, just click upload section and now click record a talking head, and now it will bring you to the Canva studio. You can add filter to your camera, you can add effects to your camera, you can change shape, you can mirror camera, or you can turn off camera. These all are the options available for the camera. You can also move the camera here. Okay, now click here to configure your camera and your microphone. Once everything is done, this time we will try only screen. So click here and share your screen. I want to share my entire screen. Click here, select your entire screen and click share button, and everything is done. Now click recorded and go to your screen what you want to share. So this is my screen, and I want to, let's say, I want to share these things. So I want to talk about on page SEO foundation. There are some of the chapters or talking points while I will talk about on page SEO. So this is all of my presentation. Once your presentation is done or your video or screen record is done, go to the Canvas Studio and click done button. Here there is another option. You can pause your video and record again. Just click resume. So you can add something else now to record again to your video. Once everything is done, go to your studio and click the done button and click save and exit. So this time camera is not recorded. This time only screen has been recorded. You see, this is the video. Only screen has been recorded, nothing else. So once everything is done, you can now download your video from here. Click here and click the download. Select MP4 and click download. It will be downloaded. So now let's try this option. This time click record voiceover. Now click here to record your voiceover. Hi everyone, this is me, Saifullah Saif. I'm presenting you how to record on Canva. So this is very simple. You can use Canva software very easily. So you can now click pause to pause your record and start again, or you can finish your record. Just click here and it has been recorded your voiceover only, nothing else. So this is actually my voiceover. Hi everyone, this is me, Saifullah Saif. I'm presenting you. Sometimes we need to add voiceover to any of our presentation. So this feature you can use in this way. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw a comment below. If you have any suggestion or any request to make video, you can request me through a comment.